Welcome to the Basics Hub. Today, we're sharing 9 unique hacks that will simplify your everyday life. From quick knife sharpeners to clever packing solutions, these easy tips will make your tasks a breeze. Let's jump right in. Hack 1. Wine Cork Knife Sharpener. First up, the Wine Cork Knife Sharpener. This is a quick and easy solution for light touch-ups on your knives. Here's how to make it. Take a wine cork and cut it in half. Glue a piece of sandpaper to one side of the cork. When your knife needs sharpening, simply rub the blade against the sandpaper-covered cork. It's portable and perfect for quick fixes. Hack 2. Shower Cap Shoe Cover. Next, let's keep our clothes clean while traveling with the shower cap shoe cover hack. Here's how. Grab a shower cap and place it over the soles of your shoes. This keeps dirt and grime from getting on your clothes and your suitcase. It's a simple trick that makes packing so much easier. Hack 3. Bread Tag Cable Labels. Tired of tangled cables? Use bread tags as cable labels. Here's how. Write on the bread tags with a marker to identify each cord. Clip them onto the corresponding cables, and you'll never have to guess which charger is which again. Hack 4. Rubber Band Jar Opener. Next up is the Rubber Band Jar Opener. If you struggle with stubborn jar lids, this hack is for you. Wrap a thick rubber band around the lid of the jar. The added grip will help you twist it open easily. No more struggling with slippery lids. Hack 5. Toilet Paper Roll Wrapping Paper Holder. Keep your wrapping paper neat with this toilet paper roll hack. Here's what to do. Slide an empty toilet paper roll over the end of your wrapping paper. This prevents it from unraveling when you're not using it. A simple yet effective way to stay organized during gift-giving season. Hack 6. Dryer Sheet Duster. Next, let's use dryer sheets as dusters. This hack is not only effective but also leaves a fresh scent. Grab a dryer sheet and use it to dust baseboards or other surfaces. The anti-static properties will repel dust, making cleaning quicker and easier. Hack 7. Vinegar Ice Cubes for Garbage Disposal. Keep your garbage disposal clean and fresh with vinegar ice cubes. Here's how. Freeze vinegar in ice cube trays. Once frozen, run them through your garbage disposal. This cleans and deodorizes while grinding away any lingering odors. Hack 8. Clothespin Recipe Holder. Finally, let's make cooking easier with a clothespin recipe holder. Here's what you do. Clip a clothespin onto the edge of your countertop or pot. Use it to hold your recipe upright while you cook, keeping it visible and preventing spills. Hack 9. Pool Noodle Door Stopper. Our last hack is the Pool Noodle Door Stopper. This is an excellent way to prevent slamming doors or pinching fingers. Cut a pool noodle in half lengthwise. Slide it onto the edge of your door where it meets the frame. It acts as a cushion, protecting fingers from getting caught and preventing damage to walls. And there you have it, 9 unique hacks that will simplify your life. From quick knife sharpeners to clever packing solutions, these tips are easy to implement and incredibly useful. If you enjoyed these hacks, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative ideas. Share your favorite hack in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy hacking!